Dollar to Dogecoin figure for August 2024. Before all else cost at 14,286 coins. Excessive cost 14,286, while low 11,111. We arrived at the midpoint of cost 1346. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 12,500. Change for August 12.5%. US to Doge expectation for September 2024. At the outset cost at 12,500 coins. Excessive cost 12,500, while low 10,000. We arrived at the midpoint of cost 11,528. The US to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 11,111. Change for September 11.1%. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture for October 2024. At the outset cost at 11,111 coins. Excessive cost 12,500, while low 10,000. We arrived at the midpoint of cost 11,181. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 11,111. Change for October 0%. US to Doge expectation for November 2024. Initially cost at 11,111 coins. Excessive cost 11,111, while low 9,091. We arrived at the midpoint of cost 10,328. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 10,000. Change for November 10%. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate for December 2024. First and foremost cost at 10,000 coins. Exorbitant cost 10,000, while low 7,692. They found the middle value of cost 906. The US to Doge estimate toward the month's end 8,333. Change for December 16.7%. US to Doge expectation for January 2025. First and foremost cost at 8,333 coins. Exorbitant cost 8,333, while low 7,143. They found the middle value of cost 7,875. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 7,692. Change for January 7.7%. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge for February 2025. To start with cost at 7,692 coins. Exorbitant cost 8,333, while low 7,143. They found the middle value of cost 7,715. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 7,692. Change for February 0%. US to Doge expectation for Walk 2025. Before all else cost at 7,692 coins. Exorbitant cost 7,692, while low 6,667. They found the middle value of cost 7,299. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 7,143. Change for spring 7.1%. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge for April 2025. In the first place cost at 7,143 coins. Exorbitant cost 7,143, while low 5,882. They found the middle value of cost 6,605. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 6,250. Change for April 12.5%. US to Doge expectation for May 2025. At the outset cost at 6,250 coins. Excessive cost 6,667, while low 5,882. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 6,262. The US to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 6,250. Change for May 0%. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge for June 2025. In the first place cost at 6,250 coins. Excessive cost 6,667, while low 5,882. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 6,262. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 6,250. Change for June 10%. US to Doge expectation for July 2025. Initially cost at 6,250 coins. Excessive cost 6,250, while low 5,556. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 5,985. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 5,882. Change for July 5.9%. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture for August 2025. At the outset cost at 5,882 coins. Exorbitant cost 6,250, while low 5,556. They found the middle value of cost 5,893. The US to Doge estimate toward the month's end 5,882. Change for August 0%. US to Doge expectation for September 2025. First and foremost cost at 5,882 coins. Exorbitant cost 5,882, while low 5,263. They found the middle value of cost 5,646. The US to Doge estimate toward the month's end 5,556. Change for September 5.5%. Dollar to Dogecoin figure for October 2025. Initially cost at 5,556 coins. Excessive cost 5,556, while low 4,545. Be arrived at the midpoint of cost 5,105. The ICE to Doge figure toward the month's end 4,762. Change for October 14.3%. ICE to Doge expectation for November 2025. Initially cost at 4,762 coins. Excessive cost 5,882, while low 4,762. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 5,2041. The ICE to Doge figure toward the month's end 5,556. Change for November 16.7%. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate for December 2025. To start with, cost at 5,556 coins. Exorbitant cost 7,143, while low 5,556. The found the middle value of cost 6,231. The ICE to Doge estimate toward the month's end 6,667. Change for December 20%. ICE to Doge expectation for January 2026. To start with, cost at 6,667 coins. Exorbitant cost 6,667, while low 5,556. The found the middle value of cost 6,193. The ICE to Doge estimate toward the month's end 5,882. Change for January 11.8%. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate for February 2026. First and foremost, cost at 5,882 coins. Exorbitant cost 6,250, while low 5,556. The found the middle value of cost 5,893. The ICE to Doge gauge toward the month's end 5,882. Change for February's inner percent. ICE to Doge expectation for Walk 2026. To start with, cost at 5,882 coins. Exorbitant cost 7,143, while low 5,882. The found the middle value of cost 6,394. The ICE to Doge gauge toward the month's end 6,667. Change for spring 13.3%. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture for April 2026. At the outset, cost at 6,667 coins. Excessive cost 7,143, while low 6,250. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 6,682. The ICE to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 6,667. Change for April 0%. ICE to Doge expectation for May 2026. In the first place, cost at 6,667 coins. Exorbitant cost 8,333, while low 6,667. The found the middle value of cost 7,340. The ICE to Doge figure toward the month's end 7,692. Change for May 15.4%. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate for June 2026. To start with, cost at 7,692 coins. Exorbitant cost 10,000, while low 7,692.